Hello, and welcome to the How It Works series from Servers.com. Today we'll be showing you how to create a firewall. First of all, log into the customer portal. Navigate to Firewalls on the left-hand menu and click Create. In the location field, choose the location of your dedicated servers. Then, select Servers in the Host section. Keep in mind that at least one server is needed. Next, configure the firewall so that only approved traffic is allowed while all other traffic is denied. For example, an inbound rule to allow only SSH traffic has the following values: TCP in protocol, 22 in port range, all IPv4 in sources, and SSH in description. An outbound rule is set up by analogy. You can see a default preset on the screen. Finally, give the firewall a name and click Create. You'll be notified of the server's unavailability in the modal window. Then click Proceed. The firewall will be created shortly. And that's it. If you have any questions or queries, please get in touch with our support team. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos in the How It Works series from Servers.com. Thanks for watching.